Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve test paper 12 of chapter 12, simple interest. One question is written here. Question number 1. Find the simple interest on rupees 6,300 at 8% per annum for 8 months. Students, here principal rupees 6,300, rate 8% per annum, and time 8 months are given. So we have to find simple interest here. Write P equal to rupees 6,300, R equal to 8% per annum, T equal to 8 months. 8 months means change into year, months divided by 12. So 4 2 ja 8 and 4 3 ja 12 equal to 2 by 3 years. Now find ASI, simple interest. Simple interest equal to P into R into T by 100. P into R into T by 100 equal to principal is rupees 6,300 into R, rate 8, into T 2 by 3 years. So 2 by 3 divided by 100, so multiply 100. Double zero to double zero cancel. Now 63 divided by 3, 21 3 ja 63. Now it's multiply 21 multiply by 8 and multiply by 2. So 8 2 ja 16. 21 into 16. Multiply 1 6 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12. 1 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 2. Add 6, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3 equal to rupees 336 will be answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 2 of test paper 12. Question number 2 is what sum will amount to rupees 6,600. Amount is 6,600 in 2 years at 10% per annum. Simple interest at 10% per annum. Simple interest. So let P equal to rupees X, T equal to 2 years, R equal to 10% per annum. So find ASI equal to P into R into T by 100 equal to X into R 10 into T, PRT, PX, R 10 and T 2 divided by 100. 1 0 to 1 0 cancel equal to rupees rupees 2x by 10. Simple interest. Now according to question, amount equal to rupees 6,000 600. That implies the amount equal to P plus ASI equal to rupees 6,600. That implies P is rupees X plus ASI rupees 2x by 10 equal to 6,600. That implies taken LCM 10. 10x plus 2x equal to 12x equal to rupees 6,600. That implies x equal to, x is principal, so x equal to rupees 6,600. 12 by 10 by transposition change into 10 by 12. Divide 12 times. Divide 6,600 by 12. 12 5 ja 60. Again 12 5 ja 60. 0 equal to rupees 5,500 will be answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 4 of a test paper. In what time will rupees 3,600 amount to rupees 4,410 at 9% per annum simple interest? Here given P equal to rupees 3,600. A equal to rupees 4,410. So rupees 4,410. R equal to 9% per annum. So first of all find ASI equal to A minus P equal to 4,410 minus rupees 3,600 equal to 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, 4 minus 6, that means 14 minus 6, 8. Rupees 810. Now find T equal to ASI into 100 by P into R equal to ASI rupees 810 into 100 810 into 100 by P is rupees 3,600 into R is 9% per annum, so 9, 1 0 to 1 0, next 0 to next 0. Now 9 by 9, 81 divided by 9, 9 into 9, 81, and 9 4 ja 36, 2 2 ja 4 and 5 2 ja 10 equal to 5 by 2 years. 5 by 2 years means 2 whole, 1 by 2 years answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 6 written on this board. In this question, a sum of money becomes 4 by 3 of itself in 6 years. at a certain rate of simple interest. Find the rate of interest. In this question we have to find rate R. So let P equal to rupees X. Let P equal to rupees X. Amount equal to rupees 4 by 3 of itself. Rupees 4x by 3. In 6 years, T equal to 6 years. So find first of all SI. SI equal to A minus P equal to 4x by 3 minus X equal to LCM 3. 4x minus 3x equal to rupees x by 3. X by 3 is the simple interest. Now find R, rate equal to SI into 100 by P into T equal to SI x by 3 into 100. Principal is x, rupees x, so x into T is 6 years. 3 to the 6 and 50 to the 100. X to x cancel equal to 50 by 9%. That means 9 5 is 45. So 5 all 5 by 9% per annum. Answer. Students, today your homework is solve test paper 12, question number 1 to 6. Thank you. That's all.